Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It's still the evening of March the 4th, 2025, coming to you from headquarters, better known as the TV room. I'm watching President Trump give his speech tonight, and I hearken back on my early days in politics. This video will be called My Career in Politics, a quick review. What do I mean by a quick review? I had a short career in politics that many of you don't know about. In 8th grade, I was the class president. I ran unopposed. And, let's just say I won in a landslide. To the best of my ability, I upheld the convictions that I was raised with from my mother and father, and also the pack of wolves that helped raise me. But my political career was much like a firecracker. It kind of goes up, explodes, and then that's it. That's pretty much describes my political career, although short-lived, very impactful. So I was the 8th grade president. Again, I ran unopposed. I think I won 18-0 with one abstention. Timmy, I don't want to say his last name, was sick that day and couldn't vote. So I won by a landslide and felt good about myself for about 9 months. But again, my career did not proceed after that. It kind of fizzled out. And but I do have the memory. That's why this video is called My Career in Politics, a Quick Review. I was only class president in 8th grade. I think I would have been a good politician if only I could turn back the hands of time. But I can't. That's the video, Crypto Mentor 99. Could you see me as an 8th grader with the gavel every other week on my desk signing executive orders? It was wonderful. Anyhow, that's the video, a quick review of my political career. Love y'all. Bye-bye.